My name is Bitnesh Sharma and this is my channel Spanish Guru, where I teach you this language. So previously we have talked about the sound of the alphabets, and today we'll know about singular, plural and articles in Spanish. Please watch this video till the end so that you can understand the content of this topic. And please don't forget to give like, subscribe and press the bell icon button which is given there. Let's get this started. So first we are going to talk about the articles. As you know, we have the in English. In Spanish we have el, and these articles have gender. Please keep in mind these articles have gender and also noun. So it is male. L is male. It is used, these are used L or L. L is female. These are used in the place of the. L is male, L is female. Alright? And I will let you know the usage of these articles later on. A or N. Okay, so these have this article un. This is male. Una. This is female. Alright, I think you have understood this. So these all articles are singular. So I have written this, these are singular. These all are singular. And now let's talk about the plural. L, the plural of L will be los, and the plural of the L will be las. The plural of the un will be unos, and the plural of the una will be unas. Okay, I hope you have gotten this. Alright, so how do we use these articles? Means how to get to know which article should be used. Should we use female article with the word? Should we use male article with the word, with the noun? Alright, so let me tell you, any noun which ends with O. O or A. Okay, any noun which ends with O, it is male. Okay, it is male. A, whenever any noun ends with A, that will be female. Alright, let me give you one example. Coco. Can you guess which article should I use? Right, I should use L because it ends with O. This word ends with O, that's why it should be L. El Coco. And can you guess this one? Which article should I use here? Can you guess? Yes, la casa. But there is a condition. There are some words, there are few words which end with O or A, but it does not mean that it is going to be male or female. There are some words which you have to learn. So this was a trick to get to know the gender of a word, of a noun. Alright, let's And now if we want to make it, if I talk about cocoa means coconut. If I say coconut, la casa means house. If I say coconuts, it means that is plural, right? That is plural. So coconuts will be, in Spanish, coconuts will be los cocos. Los cocos, as I have told you, mentioned there, the articles of the noun will be also plural. Okay, if the noun is plural, then article also will be plural with that. So that is how same here it's happening. The noun is plural, then article also will be changed plural. Los cocos. And now if I say houses, then it will be las casas, as I have mentioned earlier. I hope that you have gotten this. One more thing is there, we haven't talked about una, unos, unas. Let me give you an example. A house is the casa, and this will be una casa. As I have told you that the article depends on the gender of the noun. Okay, so la casa is the feminine noun, so that's how that will be una casa. A will be converted in una. If I say some houses, then it will be converted unas casas. Because this is feminine. If I say coco, un coco, it will be like a coconut. If I say unos cocos, means unos cocos, that will be some coconuts. Now let's move ahead. First, let's talk about the singular plural now. How to make plural? So we have three triggers which we use: asa, asa, say asa. These are the triggers which we use to make a noun plural. So where to use s? With vowel, means the word which ends with vowel, the words which end with vowel, there will be added s. Okay, the word ends with vowel will be added s. For an example, as I have mentioned there, la casa. So a is the vowel and it ends with, okay, the word ends with a and that is vowel. So I just add here s and it becomes plural, las casas. If noun is plural, then article will also be plural, las casas. Okay, and if the word, let's talk about now usage of asa. If word ends with consonants, with any consonants, you just add es. For an example, la mujer, la mujer. If you make this plural, then it will be las mujeres, las mujeres. I just added here this, okay, and it becomes las mujeres. I hope you guys have gotten this. Alright, let's move ahead and we talk about say asa, where to use it. Well, whenever you get seta at the last of the word, you just eliminate this, you just eliminate seta and add this, say asa. For example, el pez, you see there el pez, el will be los because we are going to make the plural and we use this. Do you see, I eliminated z and I added saa, say asa. One more example, el árbol, el árbol, and that will be los árboles. Alright, so this is what we do in Spanish if we want to make plural. I hope you have gotten this, the content of this plural, how to do it, and you can also write me down some examples, some words, alright, in the comments. You can write down there, and please don't forget to give like, subscribe and share also with your friends, so that your friends can also learn this language and you can also practice with your friends. Okay, alright, thank you so much for watching my video.